Take command of the road in the 2018 Ram 3500. This four-door, five-passenger truck just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. Top features include a split folding rear seat, voice-activated navigation, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a bedliner, and much more. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.